create a project in JDBC for simple login validation. Now, first we have to create an account. After creating an account, we have to log in for an account. Okay, first we have to create an account. Now, what will I do? This is a console. Imagine it is Java application. This is our database. First I have to create an account. Then we should have which button? We should have submit button. See, this is for username. I'll enter username. First we have to enter username. Next we have to enter password. Next, first we have to create an account. No, first I'll create an account. Now I'll keep a button. This is not a front end. Just see this username and password. I have to store it inside a database. First we have to create it. Then only we have to read it. Creating is known as execute update or execute query. Execute update. Reading is known as execute update or execute query. Execute query. Okay, we're going to do this operation. Now, first, see, Java will not understand database. Database will not understand Java. First, what we have to load? Driver class. How to add? By calling class dot for name is a method. What is a fully qualified name of driver class? Com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver is a fully qualified name. Okay, it throws which exception? Checked exception. What is a checked exception name? Class not found. Why? Because the class whatever we pass will be there or not be there. Next one, we have to establish a connection from a database to this. Now I'll be calling with manager, driver manager dot get connection with. Now how many URL? How many things we have to pass? URL, username. Now I'll be telling what string username. What is that username? Root. What is the password? See, URL should be proper. If one mistake, it will not work. The URL should be what? MySQL, sorry, JDBC colon MySQL colon double slash localhost. I'll keep the DB name as Facebook and I'll create it the account. Don't worry. I'll create the account later. Don't worry. Okay. Now the return type of this is what? Connection interface. Again, this get connection method throws which exception? SQL exception. Why? Because the URL username, whatever I'm giving it may be correct or wrong. I'll make it as declare keyword. See, after this, I'll tell system.out.println. Before this, I'll directly go there to the database and I'll create one account. Isn't? Uh, database name is Facebook only. Okay. Okay. Now I'll create a table. Create table. Table name is accounts. In that I'll keep some accounts. I'll tell first what I'll keep it as FID. FID means Facebook ID. I'll make it as varchar. It should be primary key. Next one, fname. What is it? Not fname. I'll make it as PW, password. Again, I'll make it as varchar. Can you see? Account is created. Now, first, I'll tell something called loaded, or I'll make it as connected to the server. See, connected to the database. Successful or not successful? Next, first, we have to create an account. Now what will I do? First, I'll create a platform. What will I do? I'll tell con dot create platform. Create platform means create statement. What is the return type of create platform? Statement interface. Statement stmt. By using this reference, I can call this execute update method or execute delete. Now, what is a command we have to use? I'll tell string query is equals to. What is a query? We have to create an account now. Now I'll tell something called insert into Facebook. Not Facebook, accounts, no. Accounts, the values. How many values you have to pass? Two values. What are the two values? I'll make it as Vasant at 123. Password is 1234. Then after this we have to execute the query. How to execute the query? I'll tell con dot execute, not con dot, stmt dot execute. I'll pass the string query. Next, I'll tell system.out.println account created successfully. Account spelling is correct. Sorry. Does not exist. Hmm. Sorry. Hmm. Here, we have to give the DB name.
Sir, you created the table, but is it in Facebook database or some other?
Okay, okay. It may be that.
We want to use database.
This is correct. This time it is created successfully. Now, after creating the account successfully, we have to check the account is there or not. No, I'll be creating another class. I'll create a class called login class. So that I'll make it as create class. This is a sign up class and this is login class. What is the job of login class? Again the same thing, no? What same thing? I'll create a main method. Everything is same. See, this all coding is same. This all coding is same. But from where it is going to change? The string query will change. String query will change. Okay. Now till here it is same. This time, is it a read operation or write operation? Read operation. Now I'll check. I'll tell string. I want to log in. If I want to log in, we have to go with a where condition. String. I'll tell something called query. This time I'll be giving something called select star from sorry, not emp, accounts, the values, sorry, where we have to tell fid is equals to, we have to give the name fid, we have to give the name. What is fid? I'll make it as Vasant at 123, no, and both the conditions should be true, and password should be how much? 4. Now, if this account is available only, it will return me the record. If not, it doesn't returns me a record. See, by using the statement interface, is it execute update or execute query?
Execute query.
Execute query. Now, what is the return type of execute query? Result set. See, if the record is present, account is there. If record is not present, account is there or not there? Not there. I'll tell something called system dot result dot next method. See, the condition is true. Wait, the record is there or not there? It's there. Now I'll make it as Vasant 1, 2, 3, 4. Record is there or not there? Not there. False. Artha aita? Now, instead of this, I'll write a logic. If result dot next is available, I'll make it as what? System dot out dot println login successful. Else invalid account. Done.